Alright, so first things first, we just gonna clear the parent. Let's get rid of the mirror modifier, which is gonna reapply the mirror modifier origin to 3D cursor. There we go. Now click on the lattice modifier, click on the lattice object and duplicate it. Or we can just set origin to 3D cursor, don't duplicate it. Since we don't have any mirror modifier for the lattice object, we're just gonna duplicate it for now. This will be a separate one. The left side will be a separate one after applying the mirror modifier. So name it front side right, and that one should be front side left. Now we appeared on this, just control P an object. That should do the trick. Now let's get the lattice modifier. Oh, there we go. 3D geometry. Before applying lattice, let's just geometry this and geometry that. Control P object. Lattice. Both of these are in shape right now. Now we just have to put them inside, then we'll be done. GY like that. Yes, we have to work with one at a time. I see this after like 33. Let's make it 35. Copy this. This will be in negative 35. Cool. Now just give them the medium point. GX like that. Origin to geometry. Origin to geometry. That value, copy it, move it, paste value without the minus, and there we go. After a long work, there we go. Let's see what this last time. This may push a little bit forward. There we go.